You are going to love the 2016 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.